The people come here, especially the overseas people, because of the vast openness. So they're not used to as far as the eye can see. It's the small things. We've got lots of reptiles, interesting reptiles and insects. Then there's the quartzveld, that's also with the succulents, that's also very popular. The caracal eco route, that includes the inland area and the coastal section. At the coastal section, we've got 9 different camping sites. We've got the Heaviside Dolphin hiking trail. It's about 10 kilometers, leads all along the coast. Then we also have the Bitterrivier dunes. That's our only remaining moving sand dunes in South Africa. The park itself is one of a biodiversity hotspot because of the different plant species, etc. And then we've got the seal colony. They're getting bigger by the day that the people can go and have a look at. We also have the Spoeg River Cave. That was the first evidence of sheep farming in Namaqua that you can find at the Spoeg River Cave. Down at the coastal section again, we've got a loop that we call the Horizon Loop. If you do that, you can see most of the game that's on the coastal side. It's better to come with the 4x4. The 2x4 you can do the inland area, but currently for people with a normal sedan car it's limited. And the best time for the flower season is middle of August till maybe the second week of September.